Welcome back to Thuga TV. This is Wild and Rich Part 2. So, I see that you don't like the first one, so I'm going to Part 2 quick and fast. Don't go. So, remember to like, share, and subscribe. When you like, share, and subscribe, you keep the channel growing each and every day. You understand? And when you comment, that make me feel better. If you know, so when you now watch, you really can relate to what I'm going and sick, what I'm going and enjoy what I'm going. So you comment down in the comment section. And remember, share it to your family member, your friends, everybody, right? Remember, share it, everybody. But before I go into the movie, I want to go over to Empress Anaya Vivo channel and check out our new single called Baby. I want to run it up, link them out there in the description. She have a bunch of other songs, Mama Ball, Woy, Every Ghetto Youth, she and her Hitman Wally. You know, go, she have a bunch of songs, so I want to go over there, support her right through because she's a really very nice lady. She go sponsor when I move them one at a time. I don't know in the future. No, we see if she will sponsor a movie. But she's a nice lady, she cool. We just want to give her some strength. She has some very nice songs. But you know, say, some of the time when people have some talent, it's just hard for them get the exposure. So, no go over there, like, share, and subscribe. See me. You know I go. Blessings to everybody. Wild and Rich.
Are you coming? So you're jumping and going to feel like a frightened to see me?
Yeah, dear.
You come to...
Oh, you coming here?
I have a key, remember? Me come to...
How much key you have? The last time you are going to give me one key. How much key you have?
Remember somebody cut key for the time I tell you say...
Give me the key, give me the key. Give me the key. I say you're going to come in and kill me.
Then you wanna come in and come and kill me. Come to apologize about everything.
Give me the key, no man, everything good. Give me the key.
Just look here now.
Listen,
May I ask for your forgiveness? Just please now.
Listen, me now.
That's not go back in the relationship.
Relax, man. It's too late for that, you know.
What do you mean it's too late for that?
Suppose my woman did there.
Which woman you talk about? And me and your woman who you chat about?
Listen, me now. Me have a new woman.
New woman? So that's the thing there.
Me not tell you already.
So fast you move on.
I have a new woman now.
Look here, I better make she go because me come back. You have to go tell her say she have to go leave because me come back. You mean by me can't go lamp on your hand?
Give me a key you have. Give me a key you have.
Me not have it. You did left
So how you push the key in the door then?
The door is open.
Me not left door open as me come in. You lock. So give me a key.
Just hear me out now, man. Just not go back in the relationship the last time.
Yeah, hear me. Yeah, hear me.
And you do something on the TV for me.
Me say, me have a new woman. And she's
I bet say she gonna feel you. Bet say she gonna feel you. Me not ask
she not
price.
feel me. If she feel me, me get to my days. Right? So, just go on. Come tell us.
Look here, for the last time.
It's sorry for you.
Sorry for me. What she gonna do? War me? Are you turn up and watch me and worried girl? Look here. The sailors.
Hold me now, man. Mr. Go on and give me a key. See that suitcase? I hear us them. Here's a certain call her.
Me now gonna with no suitcase.
Number.
Here's a me a stay. Here's a me a stay. Me now gonna with else.
Don't make it up off 5 bed. Please, my baby.
Get up off 5 bed.
Come in for rest.
Well, the two we can rest together. Two can rest together. You want that? Yeah?
Joke.
Bill no man. Just bill no.
Joking with them. Come. Give me key.
Me not have the key. Just hear me last time.
The 2 keys that's all.
Just hear me feel last time. You know what?
Come no man. Come no. You know say left them across the spike though.
But it's not like
come here wonder where you go with two back alone here.
The thing is me never do anything in the first place. Yeah, I leave for no reason.
Come no man.
Me not go nowhere. Just still now.
Come. What this? See key, give me key. Give me key, give me key.
That's not me alright.
You can't
I'll just stay on top.
I'll change me lock on the door. We
I'll just
have
stay
no
on
talking, we talk about Mr. Guan. You can't hear?
You don't understand.
But me not understand. You don't understand.
Alright, close the door.
No. Now lock it back here, go through the door. Nothing this day to understand.
Yeah, no problem.
Right? You say we done. I'm gonna get a new man. They say then, right? So let's go and move on to. We done. See, me see up on the road if you want to yell, me yell. If you want to yell, me yell.
Give me a hug for you last time. Last time. I'm gonna come back. You can just step me back, please. Look here, you know, so I never do nothing wrong, right? Me never do anything wrong. And you leave me for no reason.
Go. Please, my baby, go. Lock back your grill. I change my lock for my thing in my car. I put me asleep and, you know.
So be observed our thing.
Why I don't even know where I'm going, bro. Cause see it come from work. What time now?
After 1:25.
See, they supposed to still there work, bro. But bro, right now,
Oh, what's happening with you?
but I'm gonna end up leave the job
Why?
because it's more hard time. I'm barely a catch up. The boy just like give me a hard time.
Even
Because no,
oh,
I thought, bro, man. I don't say babes. That's the song, man. It's like when I'm there work now, you know, appreciate what I really have to offer for the company. See? So it's like it's a tag on war between my boss and my colleagues, and so even if me I do a thing different, but it a work, then it not like nobody not get the attention, like it not grasp nobody attention. We just get frustrated and leave work. It's a get to my brain.
sorry that my telephone.
Yeah.
Hold on. You have to get to my birthday come up. I go and want to look at hair do. I want to look at me as I want sort of clothes.
Oh, that take care already. I remember saying that work for a while now. I'm saving up a piece of money in case things go left. So yeah, so right now I think about investing money. So might Zane can get back some shares and stuff. So that I think about to do.
Oh, because me I wonder now, because if you work, how me I got it and so.
But anyway, babes, I can hit the road and say I can pick up some good sales. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, I want to brace blowing up for me.
Hurry yourself, man. Money I blow now.
Tell me how money you want?
I don't want money.
Oh, because originally anytime I come over here some money.
I'm not come over here for no money this time.
Alright, so what happened?
So, first thing first, who do you with?
Who do you there? Girl, I'm going to look for Thuga, you know? Because right
You
now,
can't change man, so.
I know nothing about no change, man.
Every time he says the next man.
Just chill, man.
It's a girl, you know, sure.
Hey, you can't stick with nobody for too long.
If
That's
they
how
not
you.
fling up with dollars, you know make no sense.
Look here, I'm come over here to talk about is right now my life lonely and my ex-boyfriend me and him break up.
Jesus.
I foolishness me I chat this a while ago. My boyfriend me did there with me and him break up. Me find a condom in a car, I'm asking about it and the boy left me over that day. You see me? And I chat about me can't go on next day. You have a new woman. I go over here and try beg him back and something. He run me and chat about how me for go on because he don't want the woman come over here come see me and want to go on. So I say okay then, we leave them out. And the hottest thing is the two men that when me used to talk with, that are Puppy and Thuga. The two of them are going good in their life, you know. You look at chump change and me there spend pound and me there help them out and they never have nothing. It come like a waste of time, you see me? Because now two of them have things, me not have nothing.
See anything? Me did I warn you. You just never did a listen. Okay, look. Are you feeling more bad money? No, but man, you won't feel money.
They need them money. Look here, me in a relationship with them, right? You not expect me to spend money to me can't make them alone spend. The girl, me not gold digger, me here two different something.
Understandable. Alright, so tell me now, what you plan for doing now? Cause my boyfriend, you see when you see him just walk off a job. Me hit not even know what go happen for my birthday, cause my birthday the right around the corner and he just walk off a job. And you know you come with a big load of stress and me can't manage that right now. Cause
Me know me I go do, you see me? No, me I go do much. Me must sketch them back, you see me? Must sketch them back, man. Later.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
How about Father?
Free. I'm going with.
What are you there? Good?
Yeah, see you from over there. Yeah,
I'm keen, man. Because I go through all heap of something right now. Stress. On top of stress, on top of stress.
Can I just say that, boy? I know I'm not like you when they talk about stress, you know. You have a little link, you know, I'm not like you style, I'm not stressed out.
No, you style me wicked.
Where's that? Style you?
Why you what?
Which boy?
Just calm down, no, man. Sit down and tell
Babes,
me what.
talk to me in the basement. Yo, where's the making?
Alright.
Style you?
Yes. Yeah, me and this youth attack, right? And me go in car. I must go see use condom in car. And me turn to him and say, look here, how are this? The boy run me a car and road drive off, left me.
Run out you?
And it turned out he break up with me over that.
But I think we'll film link them away.
I mean, even go over here yesterday and I try beg back and I tell him, say, please, me you can't do about this, that, really. But tell me, say, no one, but I say, a new woman.
We tell us every top beg people, please, you know, look how you look good.
But I don't, you don't understand.
Come on, man, up there, that one.
You know?
Can I love you, to I love you? Oh, I style you. I style you, you can't link me. How long if you can't link me? How long is a boy? How long is a boy I style you?
I don't really long, I can't say that way.
That joking you tell me.
From in a relationship.
In a relationship.
I don't good while I'm in a relationship with you.
Good while. And you make this a boy the style you daddy.
Alright, I'm gonna hurt him.
Hurting you know that man just say a word and show me him.
No, I don't mean like that type of hurt, you know.
It is a joke business there, man. Yo, we can't take a joking talking, man. Must say no pram me pushing, man.
Look here, no, man. Only one thing we know could have cramp him right now. And
What that? What that? What can cramp him? Because he must say ice or something. What if you cramp him?
if I take away in care, because you want care when you love. You see that time in life, that time baby, that time this, that really, you want bag of something.
I mean, have a link, we can sell that, you know. So me care boy them up, so, you know. So you can tell
No,
for
but
a long
that's
time.
what you feel what me I feel, you understand?
So that's a simple maths. Look how long if you come give me them, they move them, me go panny.
I want to know how you feel if you lose something.
What kind of care boy have?
Eh?
What kind of care boy have?
One AD wagon.
Bombard.
One white one.
White?
Yes.
Pearl white?
White.
Yo, me have to come for that. Well, when me can page him? When me can page him?
Me go send a location and the address, everything for this year.
That's why I make a call to the board right now.
Me send a picture too.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Go for me just for the internet there and make it
do the right thing, man, so we can run the portal, man. How do you, man?
Alright.
No boy, if you go on and you want to make that happen again, it take too long to come link me.
Alright then, pick up yourself.
How are you, brother?
Alright,
but enough your style your road, you know that. No boy. Oh, where? When? Where? Mad. Portal a link at you, because you want to carry them. It's a little lunatic boy, I go and some link them. We are bright.
Brand new get that. No.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hold on. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on.
Jangan money.
Come on. Come on, boy. Move me through.
Don't take a big jangan.
Yeah, so that account, yeah man, I'd like to transfer 6 million to it. Yeah, because I have some business issue that I want to get sorted out, so I would like to transfer it. No, it was $9 million in about, you know, we have a liquor agreement, so I'm gonna give him 6. Yeah man, everything is good, man. No man, I'm good with the $6 million. Give me a minute, please. I'm gonna call him. Never tell us something now. You're not at all back on the place.
You can just hear me out.
Hear you out with
Just
what?
give me, look here. You know, we come up here the last
No,
time.
listen, listen.
Work, but at least make it work this time.
It can't work because I'm a woman and 2 bad bitch in there right now. You understand? So me no need a bucket right now. I'm wild and rich. You can't style me. You understand? Remember you tell me say you get another man and I tell you that fine by me. You know? So why you come back now through things don't work out? Things that work out for me. Babe, come talk to her because me a man and I don't like argue with woman.
How you do here? Let us have a dog come back on my yard.
Your yard? Are they my yard
Obviously,
first?
no. We did have a little place so we get to stay. That I never see.
Girl,
I'm not upgrade now in a city. Whole like apartment or something.
Yes. And if you talk to your ex, actually your ex-girlfriend, you not pay one much for dirt car, you know. Girl, you know who you talk?
You know who you are talk to? Don't run yourself, my baby girl. Don't
Girl,
do
it's
it.
nothing more than a rubbish, you hear that?
Rubbish. Remember, say I take you off of the streets. So you can't talk to
Take
me.
who?
Baby girl,
Obviously,
don't
you
talk
don't
to
know
me.
our story. Obviously, you don't
I
know
know you
our
make
story.
one
listen,
up.
listen,
I ain't make
listen,
one up.
listen,
So
listen.
excuse. This
Alright,
is a shit,
alright,
baby
alright,
girl.
you have one.
Excuse.
We lock
Babe,
the right now.
finish
You
the
know?
boy album.
You can't lock this everything, baby girl. Don't do
Finish the
it.
boy album.
Don't do it.
Listen, hello, listen.
Me step in there.
Listen me. Me just want you listen me. Me tell you already so me don't want to see you here. You never bring no happiness to the relationship.
What do you mean by me never bring no happiness to the
so my
relationship?
beautiful queen here, my wife, accept me to have 2 more women in my bed. So right now I 3 women just down in there. You never
so me
did
say
me
something
that.
to you. So just because me never work, girl, shut up. So just because me never accept for you have another girl along with me, you have a problem with that.
Yeah, because you see you did classify me as I'm poor, so you never did want me live no life. You understand? So right now I'm wild and rich, so I'm free to live the life I want to live. So just go on back with your man when you're fine and just avoid me now.
Me not have nobody now.
Well, me
I
not
am
business,
single.
me have somebody. You understand? Me
Here.
No. It'd be nice to have 4 women, but not, me no want
What do you mean by-
to make it 4. That's one.
If me and you finish back, I just
No,
me and you
come,
alone.
come,
What do you
please,
mean by?
come,
Look here
please.
now.
Please,
Come
go
here.
on.
Yes, please.
Me never hurt you. Go on, please.
You never hurt me.
Please, just go on now.
I don't like
Just
you
go on.
can't hurt me.
Just go on. Please, huh?
Look here. Just
Please.
calm down and listen what me have to say
Please.
now. Listen what me
Just-
have to
just
say.
go on.
We can't make things work. Look here now.
You want something to do?
What?
Wash your bench out. When I done with that, go on.
You know, say very disrespectful.
What you been to me now? When I done mail it up.
No worry, Annie. No worry. Yes. I have a feeling, say no. Hello. Yes, sir. You get the care. Alright, then I'll link you a few spot. Alright, then I'll forward now. Alright.
Actually, I rent house and have money, she a come back now. You know what a girl you come here, you know, come call.
Just finish about the food for me, please. May I go back on the car?
Yes, sir. How much crime?
I just there some meds, you know. You look for me. That last in our system right now. My boy then glad when they see me pull up. What do you know how much money me get? New machine and
No, that's a
tell you, man,
one.
if no boy ever play with you again, a problem. That may make you know.
You
Tell you,
know, so to be honest though, you're the only person I can rely upon, you see me, because everybody else buck up on our meat, then just feel me. You see me?
Everybody feel it?
Everybody.
Sure, no, you would.
But then only somebody can call upon right, and if more wants something to be done, you always do that for me. So but they are saying what I think, boy, you know, like give you a chance.
Give me a chance. I mean, they could have asked that a long time more you think they way, you know. You think about some like a Google Butter Road where the style and a grow on you. Look for me. I mean a real deal can protect you if a mosquito come by and I shoot that off. Here, I'm a top clap things. I say if a mosquito touch you, I shoot that off. Sit down. How long if you talk to me and something, babes? I want you. Get the hair done right for you. Pretty man. Stop making people stress you out. How much time I tell you that?
But I don't like something I try, but
So long you take for say, I mean, I right man for you. Me have to do so much things for you can see that.
I know what.
Daddy, sometimes I do some things and I come back and I say, yo, you know, Father God. Actually, I rate that girl and love that girl and I do them sitting here, you know. Certain people couldn't call link me and tell me if you come out of my ear, go do things to them. I mean, I rate them. I mean, I love them, babes. You're mad. But me, I wonder how you take so long to say, I mean, I right type for you.
Almost because maybe in our relationship, you know, so maybe stay
Let's get her over here, yeah, man. Boy, in a relationship. You call them the relationship. Because there is no good. They not work out. People not style people in a relationship. We help out each other like a teamwork. Teamwork, make the dreams work. How much time we teach you that? Because you're pretty. When they stress you out, you will get ugly. You don't want that fear. What do you man stop make people stress you out, man? Sound like a dirty boy. When I know life and can't help you out certain ways. Stress. Yo, at least get rid of stress, you know. No one, nobody stress you. When you're there by my side, never get hurt again. I see you pray. That's what I'm talking about. So, sweetie, you eat already, 8 for the morning?
Yeah, man, me eat, man, but I'm not really penetrate on that the right, you know. But my main focus on is, I just want to get back to the youth. You see me, like, I just want to get them in the real way. You see me?
Man, there's a real, you know, we're ready, you know.
And as I said before, my eyes not up to certain things, and I know so that are true.
You keep it locked.
Me young, so you have to understand. You see me?
No, that part is.
Alright.
General.
We have one of them out of the way already, right?
Yeah.
See the other one?
And that's never nothing to deal with.
One thing go broke, you see me? The other one.
Broke. Like me broke him up.
No, not like that. They bankrupt me at all.
Oh. Broke. Normal pre-man, what do you man?
But I don't know how would I do that, you see me? Like, we could have make you involved in some scamming.
A simple thing that you know, see me have a link them. If me don't have a link them, I can make my link them, find a link them. And I can send somebody up there. Go deal with the coupons them and the bankruptcy and all of them are sitting there. And shell him down. Quick, fast, easy.
More send them to down in the earth, you see me? I mean like
kill
them. No, I mean like kill them. I mean like make them suffer.
Suffer.
More and they feel how you feel for suffer for not having nothing at all, you see me?
What do you man? If I want to get serious, I can link on me. I'll be a man too, you know.
You have to make you reach this, you see me?
What do you man? Start to me, man. Anything you want to deal with, man, you can deal with the man right away. So don't worry about that. We'll get the thing deal with real way. You say suffer and you say bankruptcy and the whole of them, I'm going to deal with it. Easy 1-3.
More and they know the pain that me I feel. Me no want me alone go through this. I want them go through it because of them put me through this or me I go through now. So I want them to go
feel
through
pain.
it.
Yo, I don't even like when I say that word there. Pain. Because we make people feel pain. You see me? Alright now, let me feel away. But tell you what, I go find the link them. Because I tell you say a simple 1-3. I go make you comfortable and I go make you happy again. You see, pray. Me. You say me. I gonna make you happy again. Just believe in me. Here and stop folding hands and stress out about people. Pray for yourself, no man. Stop stress out about them. Because they will be right there, make your life happy again. You see me? What do you man? It's the real man and stay on my foot, man. Don't put them for your brain and think over me and think about them no time.
No, I'm not think about them, man. I just want to say, you know, as long as them is something that good on, I'm not time to think about them again, you see me?
Nah, man, pray. So pray say bankruptcy, dirt, and sufferation. All of them there. Put in a bag right now. We'll get them sorted out. Quick. Make sure you're not sorry for them after, you know?
Me not sorry for
Make
nobody.
sure you're not sorry for them after, you know?
Me not sorry for them.
Alright.
Me want if it happens, so me not
Alright.
sorry for them.
No, nobody a ball to me. You see me I deal with people now here can tell me about take time with the man, this and that, you know.
Do that. Babes, you know what? Enough of them. We don't want to chat about them right now. We go in, go chat about we.
No, you're talking. No, you're talking. Come on, want to hear about them neither, you know, because things don't have a start out there.
Later we can chat about them. How we are going to do today. You see me?
I know you can't come back. Hello. Are you just come back? Where did they? From man, you gone and you go away. What I'm tell you? What? And you gotta go check because you come back.
I tell us I'm not no other woman. What I'm tell you, man?
Stop tell lie, man. So
If you ever know
tell me
what happened to me, you talk about girl. Me a drive on the road right as me if you go where me I go. You know far me I walk from right as me if you go where me I go. One gunman walk out in the road, middle day. Point gun palm me through the car, so me have to come out of the car, man. So come out of the car. You know, me I say, gunman take with my car. With all of my money and my paperwork to me night, everything gone.
So me I go get my wig. How me I go get the clothing? How me I go get everything? Me ask you for.
And that's what I worry about.
So me feel worry about again.
Me say them gone with the whole of my papers, them my papers, my business, me, the amount of something me have in that car there.
So how me I go get what me want?
You just dip on where you want, where you want.
So me fi dip on again.
Suppose to be dead.
But then
Where that's the same thing, going dead, me can't get my wig, yo. Me not like that, you know.
But then I dead, you know.
You only care for yourself.
Me not only care for myself, me tell us I want some of them.
So if the money gone in that car, how y'all get to if you get?
Are you making money gone?
Me?
No, me.
You know what to? Go on. Leave, go on. Just sit them.
Because me can't get what me want.
You come back facing them, me call and tell come back facing me, because this, you know how work between me, yeah? You know how work. Because me get stick up by a gunman. I worry about the wig and lashes. You don't care about me. Yo.
Babe, I'm gonna see how going on because remember, so I want to go and pick a bankrupt before we get done, so let's see how going.
Babes, the other day I go and Mexico because I make a link from last night. I showed for my boy.
My boy give me a fee boy number. If you deal with the thing right, you see me because you they are professional. I'm say professional.
Professional.
And you they don't joke thing on the pan thing. You see pre. But watch you know. I forgive some money, you know. Because you they situation I'm a professional. And like they get their money for do their work. You see pre.
I feel this yeah, you could get it going without all of that.
Yeah, but I feel me link. Get the link.
Oh.
So I not really my link. I feel me link.
Oh.
So
your link can make female link make it happen for free.
we have to make him get piece of food, man. That's me. And talent there. I don't know, like a shibble of talent, doesn't
Alright,
it?
that's at least, isn't it?
What do you
So,
want?
when I say you're going to deal with it?
Right now, tell her what. I'm going to show you the number too. And see if we can get a youth here now because I feel you're right there to make him move still, you know.
If you would have do it today, it would have good because...
Don't start talking to me. Yo, bad bro.
Yo.
Are we there?
Oh, there, that's on. Let's go forward.
Yo, remember say, I showed you from last night because I make you link in that. I don't know, joke the thing, you know, to them why you deal with the thing for you, you know.
Alright, bad bro, my fault. See?
Alright, I know why you worry yourself because the food good, you see me?
Yeah.
Food did it for you eat, you see pre.
You did.
Just deal with the thing the right way for you see it.
Right here.
Yeah, come on, more man, get out of them problem and get over this, you see pre.
Alright, cool.
Alright, if you don't get to deal with them boy, they're going to problem in the father.
You did, bro.
Alright, that is it, remember good. Alright, go on the right thing.
Cool.
Come give me a link. Zin?
So, what's it?
Send them on the road. Soon come give me a link, you see it.
Because you know, so like, I'm richness we are right now, not free now, broke stage.
How are they, man? I don't joke on the pan them on the thing.
No, but I feel like saying I just do them things I'm not getting out of it.
What
You
do you
have to
man?
benefit out of it, you know.
I
We
feel-
have to get money out of it, because we have to go in.
How we say beneficial in a man? What do you man?
Just can't see no man and sit down.
What you know what things said, babes?
You know, I think that man,
No, nothing like we hear that too much. Mad problem.
me can go back in the house because something I look good.
Alright, do the right thing. They are going to weapon for my boy for forward. He must soon reach and you see me call for any time I call him.
Alright,
He must know send no joke business if you check in. You see pre.
yeah.
Yeah man. Try to know you. What?
What?
What go on, father?
There, bro. Where you free?
Well, let me see you, daddy.
No, man.
Can you know? Some things start out you because that boy grown the business and then you know say we grown business and no boy gonna grown for business, you know.
That's it.
So what you pray? That's some work more I deal with father. Some bankrupt business. I mean we're good pan that, you know. But last one I make a boss up down so
Oh, yeah, cool. Yeah,
ball and weed.
Billy, bro.
From Papa and it was a joke when we watch that. Then you know if we style come down. I'm say more I deal with thing more but more hotter cause I use that thing kinda set up on a different way. Boy going like in skill, going like in tough. And you know say how we put F in a tough.
Brother, then you're not tougher than us, brother.
How dear daddy?
I joke, yeah, man.
How dear my father? So what you pray?
Yeah.
Go make moms tell us some of the things them want to go on. She kinda in there deal with you see me? I make you see levels the real way. You see pray. Can Michelle don't one of them already, you know?
Yeah, I said.
Make a page brown and them already. How my thing come down father?
We know that. Let's go.
What dear man?
Let's
Yeah,
go.
moms, hello. Babes.
Yeah,
So long you take football this man forward no man, I say business we deal with now.
we don't look about you already.
Come in man. Bad chops there, you know. Bad chops there, you know, bad chops. Mom's this no more.
Oh, I see that.
Yeah.
Billy, no man.
And she ain't grown no father. You see me? So what you pray? When you tell for me boy what go on, you know. Cause you know me not like in a but chat things, you know. Clean up the machine and forward back, you see me?
No.
One here.
So, good day. Basically, what I would like to do is make my ex go bankrupt, you see me? But, you see, would I want all of the money come to me.
Oh,
You understand what I mean?
okay. So,
Like, chance of all of him out of him account come to me. My word that the money myself.
okay, cool. So what I have to go do Zine, I'm going to create 2 accounts, right? Obviously, I have to go create one for overseas, Zine, and then I have to create one Jamaican one. There's more out there, so. You understand? And I have to worry about that still, because that's my thing. So, all I have to just worry about, say, you have 2 accounts, Zine, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do the thing for you. Zine?
Alright then.
Yeah, because Yeah, boy, I feel me, bro. You see it?
Alright, so. And you know, so you get the shares of it, see how it is.
Normal 3, man. Normal 3, bro. Normal. Yeah.
But I need to know.
Yeah, man, do it right. Yeah.
Listen, father.
Everything going on, man. That's not why I pray now. So, I'm not for do. Show mom's the prayer already, but I don't know if everything come down already. As he pray.
Anyways, father, I don't want you to worry yourself. Listen, because what you pray now? I go send them for your phone. Location, the picture them and everything. So when you go up there, you can tool them and all your equipment. You see badness. So when you reach up there, and you they tell him what to do and he have to listen to you. Because when you see you come in, you see a real businessman. Business! I would say
that is it.
Business. You have to just start corporate same time. It's any non-corporate, you know what to do.
But no, what? No.
You know what to do.
No, bro.
Here, code. That is it, father.
Yeah, we're linking them, father.
Alright. I told them what to deal with, you know.
Believe.
So what you pray, I go shut in them right now. I make a totally thing right. You see?
Alright, cool, no problem.
Alright, put it up, my friend. Go back inside, see.
Yeah.
Babes,
Hold on.
I play, man. Good.
I want some enough to hug your body. Sorry.
Go on, you know. Alright, so basically.
So look, sir. You get work?
I really say I'm working, but as I told her earlier, yesterday, my dad told us, yeah, the investment things in, link on for my brother them, and active right now. So right now, I'm going to go over and for my boy them, link him, so you know, such, you know? Yeah, so I'm going to do some exchange, I'm going to make 100, you know?
You look dead for once.
Be things are going on, you know? But now yourself, man, go on. I'm off to the belly for Christmas time.
Huh?
Believe.
Only. Wait.
Believe, man.
I'm trying to go believe. You're not late today, I love so.
I'm not late. I just, you know, I'm just going to 100 because I can't just go behind the back and just say, you know,
Understandable.
I'm going to show it up and be right, you know. So, yeah.
Later.
They're up here, and after that, I'll always do it and collect money just for.
They can use that, right?
Yeah.
Hello, good afternoon. Sir, madam. Is this Nico? Yeah. Nice to meet you, sir. Alright, so we're going around, right? So there's people who can invest in the stock market that triples your money, right? And yeah, so basically I'm just making rich people get richer, right? Yeah.
Wait a second. What
We must try to say, baby, must say, he make rich people get richer.
Oh,
so I'm try if you
that's
listen,
me
to get more
too.
information.
So when can everything come inside babes and reason with him? Come on from the porch.
Thank you. Should I leave my shoes outside?
Come
Be
inside, yeah. I'm trying to be down there.
Yeah, what's it?
Thank you, sir.
Alright, so, yeah, say you make rich people get richer, right? So, tell me more details about it. How that could happen.
Alright, so basically I'm a stocks trainer. You're familiar with stocks, right?
Yes.
So yes, so I will tell you when the stocks are going up. For instance, like currently right now, gray stocks is through the roof. So right now it would be the best time to invest your money into grays, right? So what is gonna happen after that is that when you get back your shares, right, it increases your money. So let's say you invest 400 mil, right? You get an increase another 400 mil.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Babes, what am I saying? So,
So, what do you think about that? Do you know anything on me? I don't know.
babes, come down.
May I minute them general? What do you say going on?
Babes, you already want triple money. So if I give him a 400 mil, 800 mil, that, you know, see, I don't know my money that babes, we can't move out of here. So finally, so your ex can find babes, still both of babes. We can get one bigger house.
You're beating. I'll get everything on beat right now. Come.
Alright, general. So, I reason with my girlfriend, you understand, I mean, my wife. So, she agree with that, and I agree as well, because me as a man, I told live together, so anything me I do, me always ask her, said we, you understand? So, how much money? Like,
Oh,
yeah.
any amount that you want to put in, that's fine.
Because I don't know I got money, so the money don't really matter me.
Alright.
So if you say me I go invest in a business, I will surely do it. Once they say it, I will triple. I will surely do that.
Okay, no problem. So I will provide you with the account number, alright? And you transfer your funds to that account number.
Alright, so basically, talk to me.
Hold on there. So, I'm going to start off with $400 million, right? So, I want to know if when him give you that money, how we are going to receive it back? Like, how long it will take to get it back? Understand me?
Alright, that's a good question. So, okay, so if you send the money now, right? When I leave here, I'll get to invest it later, right? So by this time tomorrow, your money will be tripled, right?
Yeah, that sounds really
So
good.
you're sure we can chance, right?
Yeah, man, it's legit, right?
It's very legit.
Alright, no problem. So, just put your account number right now so I can get the transfer. Alright, so I'm going to send off it ASAP.
Can feel it
So-
much already.
Thanks for
Thank you, sir.
everything. I really appreciate
Thank you so much
it.
for having me.
Alright.
I'll be in touch, alright?
And did you get your name?
My name is Theo.
Alright, blessings.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we come now. Alright then.
Sleep, man.
Yeah. Man just call me back. I can say transfer rich.
Food boy.
Yeah, guess how much money in Tierra for him?
Much.
$400 million. What? And come like say a whole lot of money man invest in a something.
God know you. See me tell about you then. Tell us that he always get things dealt with, you know.
You know what we are gonna do now?
What you say, pray?
We are gonna live nice life. We are gonna hotel. We are gonna enjoy ourselves. Nobody can talk to we. Right, there's
Your
your
babes. Babes, me tell us say now. Stop stress yourself, you know. Cause once we start linking at things, I have to deal with you
Have
really.
to.
What do you, man?
Right, this look.
Yeah,
The man
yes, man.
invest like a whole lot of money invest in 400 million and whole heap of money, you know?
But no good thing.
We can't do with this. You want to leave us stay where you want to do with this?
We have to work again.
We not have to work again.
I'm to your babes. Think uplift. We need to have a struggle by now because we're opening up one store.
Hey.
We have opened up one store.
Right, that's what that's walking out.
You know, I love my shoes, them are sitting, you know.
You know what told me happy make back in a say?
Alright, babes.
Alright.
Right now, I need to go back to sleep.
Christ!
Happy gets right now. I need to go back to sleep.
Hello, good day.
What's
Look
a good
here.
boat to do?
You know, if you look for me like that because we think me come over here for or that me come over here for. Me not come to beg you and say
If
please.
you not come over here to beg me, where you come over here for then?
Well, basically me come over here just to ask you one question. You sure about the move you make?
I mean, if I'm sure about the movie.
You sure see no one back in your life?
Of course, I'm sure. If I never sure me that they run there and I try to fix it, I'm sure about the move I make. Right now, it come like say a father God make me a break up. You understand? I just the right time. Because all along me did in a relationship and pay a whole long did I go. And I say as me listen, my life just explore so. I'm royal and rich. Right now, I do a big investment. And so when that the money they drop today, I got a problem. Nobody can talk to me. I'm wild and rich. So father God make me a less.
Me
I
ask
don't
her
want
for the
you
last
hold me
time.
down. You
Me
come like
ask
I
her-
want, listen now, you come like I want whole barrage of corruption they did have for me. But since my life I come like me just free right now.
Here.
So me glad. So
You sure,
that
say?
is the answer. Me just answer your
You
question.
sure? Alright then, no problem. Want to have a nice day, yeah, yo. Nice browning. You see me?
How
Say?
much I do here?
Baby girl, I'm gonna come by you again. I'm gonna see that tea again. You see me?
Oh, you come by my man. If you come, I have something to say to my man. you have
Girl,
something
me not come by your man neither. I'm just come to ask him a
Me
question.
answer your question.
So me I go leave.
So do it.
So hurry up now.
Okay.
Okay, just come like one big corruption in my life.
Okay.
It's a good decision I did make still I move on, you know.
Can you hear from the man yet, B?
I may wait for him saying to come give me a check. So I may wait for him. Oh yeah, but my masala while I'm rich and be more money for
Yeah,
money.
but hotel tonight and get money.
Of course.
Well, different that though, babes. When you wake up this morning, I forget to tell you. We see money draw from account. Me I wonder how that. Are you get money
Oh.
from account?
Yeah man, sorry about that, man. I remember to tell you. I did short at $6 million. So I did just take off and add it to it and send off the money. So I'm really sorry for the tell you. But when the money reach a foot to them, man, you're gonna get more than that. Man. No worries, okay?
Oh, because I really need some money now because I'm account the parade. Because we deep up and down and money spending and stuff. I must say, fly go up Panama other day and come back. So,
And then we're gonna fly over there again.
yeah. Alright, that's good.
Now wait for the niggas still on here, man. So today I go and take a cool break.
Alright, me go.
Alright.
Yeah, what one?
Where you come from?
Oh, my ex-man look at once ago. No, not taking different.
Listen.
I go over there and ask him if he really want me back or what. Boy, I chop bone. No, I don't want me back or. I'm back the same thing.
You go with ex-man go do that?
No, I'm just there play around in mine. And in there chop bone make some big investment and same thing and money I go come through. I just there laughing in my head.
Nothing in your head.
No, you take it different.
Nothing in your head.
I'm just there play around with him.
So, you want somebody to play with? Want to me?
No, you don't understand one. Alright, never mind. We just come off of that there now.
You better.
But the money part now. You
Yes,
see me? The person, me call back the person, the person say money are gonna reach within the next 24 hours. Someday I go wait.
24 hours today?
Yes.
Today, 24 hours?
Today. Today I go and wait in 24 hours run off. You see me?
That sound good. That sound good. Right now, a normal priest still come tell us when for me boy them a deal with business, you know.
They really good. That means
Forward, then deal with business. Now grown business, not enough with business when time for me boy them a deal with business, you see me?
No, man,
So
I know
them and
this.
you tell me get to deal with the right thing. You see me?
right, man.
So it's a 24 hours.
24 hours. Yeah, so basically, the man is saying you would have to send off the money to an offshore account overseas, then in sending to Jamaica, you see now next
Right,
account.
right.
Because if no police get involved or anything, you're not gonna have no chase.
Yeah.
You see me?
Tell him so when he must send it to in a full account, if he send in an overnight express, you see me? So less chase did it so, because then tell them, Lord, they must sleep. They watch it back, give them more idea instead of night. Then we do an overnight express, you see me?
Alright.
Right.
Because they are going to wait still and hopefully come through. You see me? I'm sure saying I'm joke thing, man.
We say we have faith in a man, because body can grow with thing again and upgrade now, you know. Thing go large. We have places to build, business to upgrade. What heap of things, man, you see me?
When this money I reach, when this money I reach and I look normal.
Any more of your nails.
Then I must be here for the nails and put everything on.
You put on two tattoos, see how for your body, car.
Nerdy.
Yeah, let's see.
How could I cause this?
Which is? So people never sit back good.
No, but they
How?
no, back to you now. What you do here?
You can talk to your family.
Talk to who for me?
How does a man about talk to? How this?
My ex-man. Wait, no, which birds blow you here?
You let him
No, that's calm now. Where you come here? Anything you talk to me about, you must can't talk to two about it.
Else I go let you place.
So I you may come to talk.
No, talk. You see, I'm afraid they're dealing and come over your place, you're about one, me no man come stay where you're there, so. You're not afraid of woman.
Passing grill.
You're not afraid of woman. You don't need to get my phone, listen to block you. Look here, there's no need for you to be over here. You're not afraid of woman pass and see over here.
I look funny when you attack.
Stick your sorry, none of my business.
You not even call out to me.
When me did the palm my face, I never did I look palm. So when you did palm your face, I go look palm you up his butt.
So don't show your face when you attack. When you attack, show me your face and make him listen. You understand?
You can't contact no one in me.
Let me place, no man. Let me place, no man. You think like me place, brother?
Come out of this. Right.
How long in your arms? You
can't see me on the man there say come and chat about check in on the manners.
Yo.
You know no shame, brother. Move.
Yo. Boy, if you look him in the apartment to the veranda,
it's a bright.
If you couldn't tell me to shot him in the... Because they say you keep and I want to see your face now, all along for your face, they don't disrespect you.
Disrespect me and show me out of care because this that
So alright, let me tell you, man, you want to put it for son.
No, just calm down, man.
Calm down, what? Boy, I put your foot in my hand. Why you not say don't so?
Me don't know.
What boy the name?
Look here, just nobody go this one.
Okay, if you ever tell me name, I see.
Look here, me know how when time go get that the money there we're gonna use and pay you that person. No, it don't make sense. Come on, how about you?
So boy, come on, me yard.
Come on, man.
Me yard.
Alright.
Me yard. Must joke this to bombard. Me have to go on my camera and look if this are really happen. I must joke this. This are you that really coming to me yard. This are you that coming to me yard.
Here, you know, see the man up on your face for your teeth in care. I go sell it. Boy pop down, boy mash down. The same thing when I do want to happen. See that happen there.
Babes, we're not thief. I take boy care.
Take.
You see me? So if you forgive yourself too much, you take all in soul, in life.
We don't want to reach this, so.
That's you. That's why I work with you, but when you come in me and the car, say, any of me have the fire tip for me. You couldn't tell me nothing, babes. You couldn't tell me nothing, Carl. So boy, you know, if you don't come in on Jamaica, man, you're mad.
I understand what you're trying to say, but I want, I hit one. You see me? When me did want, I hit one.
Yeah, what you want happen?
In the pan your face, you know, I'm good with that because when me pan my face, you know, look pan me
and babes, if I didn't put him on your face the next way, man, I say, I think could have come in my yard today. Actually, you listen to me sometime. Any of me put that boy on your face the real way. I say, could come in my yard today.
How come going?
Here.
Come on, I get too ignorant now. Come on, we're going.
Yeah, I'm chain him, man. Come over here.
Yes, I'm going to general. Eh? I don't understand. What do you mean by market gone down? What? Market gone down with my money? So you tell me say all of my money gone down, my general, all that big money I invest a while ago, you tell me say my money gone down. So what, me not get a triple? Yo, where really answer to me, you? Yo, hear me answer me. Yo, just try to sort out about my money, my general. Cause you forward there, you know, and tell me, say, you know, we people who want to make people get richer than how they be, you know. I'm a believer, I'm a do it, and I know you tell me say market gone down with my money. You tell me say me invest in a wrong something. And you tell me if you invest in it, me should I invest in a grace? Yo, you mean so just make my money reach my back here, man. Just make my money reach my back. You mean so my general?
So to my money. Want to feel my money, I'm going to get your money in there.
Babe, just calm down, you understand it's stress for me in a yo.
It's
stress. All my money just gone a while ago.
Look here. Me a business now.
And me alone, all I pressure the pan, you think about that?
Me alone, if you have my $6 million in them fix after some bank, you got the parent.
$6 million is what me can get you back. Where you going so about $6 million? So you don't care about my money then?
I'm tell you something. If you don't get my money, just know me I got a problem.
What do you mean me I got a problem?
money back because I never tell. Imagine, you're so stupid, go all the money you just...
And you tell me if you invest in it, and you encourage me to do it.
Me
so
encourage
now
you?
you tell me foolish.
I never me man come to you, him come
to here and call Onik Powell. Him know your name written down in a book. And then I'm just support you because I'm a man. You understand me? From here you start there, be across it. And look at destruction the family from start off.
Oh, so all along you hold all of these secrets from me and I just know you tell me all of them.
Yes, because be a spend. Look here, let me tell you something. I need back my $6 million, you hear that? Me need back my $6 million because right now I'm low on cash. But that's why you know that.
So you try to tell me, so this is how you bring me to something and then I go there disrespect me.
What you mean? You're so stupid not making whole lot of money going down in train. What me I gonna do now? What me I gonna do?
Okay.
Tell me.
All right.
It's my money.
Alright. We go get back your $6 million.
Look here, you try get it. Just try it up. Try get your money.
Girl, take a seat. Take a seat down here. This nigga still on full time business on the road, so I have to bring it here. Yes, you know. So, me ex them, right? The two ex I tell about, you know want me back or nothing?
Yeah.
Alright. You see the what? Me not about talk, the good story. You want the... Alright.
Just
The
bring
book,
on
you want
one
both,
first.
but me want give you the certain the one first, one of me just left.
Alright.
Yeah. So basically that the one day, like the one I'm with now, a real bad man. Bad man me I tell about. You see me?
Yeah.
So me link him and say, yo, you know, see me gonna do something for me though. Like fi take my ex car and sell it. You see me? Because of the time weakness, the time power. Come on, see on their face, I want to suffer kind. They make me suffer, so they have to suffer too. You see me? So basically taking care of everything, boy, suffer everything. My day one day sit down. Oh, if this boy come back. And I chat about how if me and him can't talk. I say anything we are talk about, we can talk it between me and my man. When he come and chat about me, him can't call link to and then my man just get grimy, boy, if you lift up. Tell her boy, if you lift up, what's on that, the girl here about the good part, no, man, so she and then I talk. The first ex now, when me and him did there and we left, right?
Yeah.
And you know, so me just go up and you go beg him and think, say, please take me back this, that.
Yeah.
Once you not take me back, master, I'm gonna go up the last time I say, sure, but where you do, right? So you want to take me back? Boy say, sure. On the ground when I walk, hey, let me say. Only thing we can say to you right now is, the money we have in our bank account,
You're gone already.
me have that. Boy. Me and my man rock that now.
I saw me know say me rub off on you.
$100 million.
You hear this? How you get so much?
You mean my girl, me set up somebody to do everything. Oi?
Tell me how 400 million is.
Lord Jesus!
So
See the money reach ya?
That's what zero.
You told me that. We have made so much more. Yeah, that's what you saw me my bad man. Yeah. And if I want so, girl, come on, man. Celebrate. And I get money out of it. Yeah.
Oh Jesus!
So when you get money that this so.
Me I tell you say girl and you're right. Who that for?
If zero, yo.
If you're there long.
Tell about the thing in a man. I want tea up.
I'm a joke thing.
Yo.
I'm a joke thing.
Like I carry a horse out of it.
What do you mean by of course? No, you're not gonna carry our horse. I just do business and listen.
Oh, so I wonder you and give him so much money.
Oh, your son
Can't give her a 1 mil because I'm my friend. Listen, me 1 mil I just a baby money for you, right?
What?
Or
What?
yes.
Alright.
What's my friend, you know?
Alright, go on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know, you're gonna say that one. You're gonna say that money.
yeah, Jesus Christ. But how no get to do that then now?
Me I tell you, say
Jesus
somebody
Christ.
girl, him have a link. And the link where him have a next link. We link up somebody. We do all the operation, the girl. So we are millionaires. We live in a hotel rent for what? Just watch.
What you?
We live in a hotel. Just watch.
All they do, nobody get hype and forget me.
No, girl, me not. Look at me. They get help and forget me. Forget a long time. I'm gonna call you over here. In the first place.
Yeah,
So you that go.
Shit. Forget
So you don't know.
No, me hit a go by
You eat already?
Yeah, me eat.
Girl, I'm gonna go somewhere nice right now. I'm not telling you that right now. I'm excited. I'm gonna go somewhere nice right now.
I would recommend places, but none of them top of my list right now.
No, sir. Happy, so still.
Can't believe so much zero, bro.
You know what I think me I gonna do? I think more me and yeah, my man to go tonight. Like go to a nice place, go enjoy, celebrate and stuff. The pop champagne.
I hear that.
You know?
It's no good soon that the man.
So,
just link me when you know get ready.
No more, you go get ready now. As in
no.
Yeah, more you go get ready right now,
Let's
girl.
say less.
So wait, then I'll spend more time on the place. When we go later, I'll say
No, and then a little chicken there.
I know so we are gonna book a room same way, see me?
No
Maybe after the month. Here, girl, go on. Me I'll call you, see me? Me I'll call you, alright.
Okay. And I'm gonna see the money coming on my account, you know, it come like a joke thing on the pan. Like a joke thing on the pan.
Babe, you can just please be here and please and cancel. I beg you. Right now, me there stress out me now value a decision. The youth just called me back a while ago and tell me so I can invest more money. You understand? But my mind frustrated right now.
It's like you're sick in the head. Imagine, we take you, you never have nothing. I'm a billion, I make you have something, right? And it's like, you don't have a head for your body. No matter how me I try to teach you again, I still not learn. Me and you can't work because you see me is a person, me always have money, me can't broke, you understand me? No, listen to me.
Like you do yesterday.
Alright, then you can't pay.
Me pay a half fight, a 50,000. I'm pay a half fight. You don't understand me, I'm low right now. Right now you tell me something.
Yeah, me low right now, that's why me can't stay here. I'm matter of fact, I'm telling you. It's by the time me come back, just make sure me money.
Yeah, so where all of this, sir?
No, because me what want me do? You cannot buy me no wig, you can't buy me no food, you can't buy me no. What you want me do?
So you try to tell me say money there with me for?
If me did look here, you forget say me make you have money. Why kind of talk that?
But where you leave me then show me the
because you bring me down too. You like in a swag one. You broke me broke in and go work and me out friend know me.
I will go in and try and think how him neck back.
No, when me start talk me a millions me have them account now, me account as a zeros. No. Like I come from gas station go tell them say
you can't live so much.
Leave me alone.
You know say all of my money gone already. And you go left me now and put more stress for me.
Leave me alone, man. Left me alone. Hey. Oi, don't put the app on me, my way, you know. Leave me alone. But me tell you this, because want my money here. Make sure me get my money, me up.
Alright, we reach the end of the movie here. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. Again, before you go, remember to like, share and subscribe. And remember, go over to Empress Anaya Vivo channel and check out her songs. Them, comment under them and tell them Thuga sending over there. That's it. Like up a whole of them. Make sure you reach a 1K or 2K, any amount of K views. Remember, right? And I give thanks to everybody who has subscribed and support. Who this I call me now? Give thanks to everybody who has subscribed. That's it. Remember, like, share and subscribe. Big up everybody. And for Christmas, so stay safe on the road. No hard driving, no drinking and driving. You know you go. Stay safe on the road for the new year. Because next year, a bunch of things go on. Remember, bless up everybody.